Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Mohammed Hussain and today topic is different example of integer actually. Okay, so today we will check that is this topic is important or not. Okay, as I know that I already told you the how to declare the integer and how to initialize, okay, how to give value to the integer variable. Okay, so but now we have different example just because I don't think so that you have observed many cases of integer, so we will check right now. Okay, so in this slide you observe that we have different data types. Okay, and their meaning is in int means that integer. Okay, and it contains some size. Okay, some website says 2, some says 4. Okay, so we will check it down which size, okay, it contain by data type and how it will be, how we can check. So right now we are going to check. Okay, the question is how to find the size of integer or data type. Okay, we can say data type in here. I think better to write data type. Okay, so now as you know this is declaration. Okay, integer and a is a variable, so the word you can use is size of. Okay, this is the method actually of function. You can say just this is text, this text, and after this parenthesis you can type the variable. Okay, by this you can get what, the size of a variable, and you can just put it here that and see out if you do this, and it will give you the size. Okay, what it will give you the size. And if you want to know the what the size of float, okay, it will give you the size of float actually. So I think now you get it, that what, how you can get the size of data type. Okay, so simple, I think so. So in this slide, okay, if I say what will be the output of this slide, okay, this program actually, so I am 100% sure that you will give me the reply that sir, the answer will be sum of two number on the screen. Okay, simple. So now if I say that what will be the answer of this, you definitely will tell me, okay sir, 2 plus 2 is on the screen. Okay, show on the screen. Okay, completely. Okay, now what will be the answer of this? You can say no, if there is no quotation, so definitely they perform some kind of operation. Okay, and now we can observe on the screen written is 4. Okay, so if I say now 22, okay, if I'm writing here 22, it create error. Okay, it will say why, what is 22. Okay, we cannot directly write like this. Okay, so this number, then I just give a operator. Okay, what you call in this, in your language we say equal sign. Okay, definitely you know that in mathematics many times, so you will maybe say that it's an equal sign, but in programming it actually called as a sign operator. Now you got it, that what is it, what this sign means? This is an assign operator. It means that this value, this data is somewhere you have to assign, you have to give. Now you know that better, that whom we give this. Okay, so we will give to a variable surely, and I think so you know that. So now age have 22 value. Okay, now another thing we must know that age is contains some data type. Okay, it have must a data type. Okay, so we write in here integer. Okay, so integer. Now this is the complete definition. Already I told you in the previous lecture, but I think now you have grep as well. So you can write your own wish, that you write first your data type and the variable name and the equal sign and a value. Okay, just your wish, whatever you do yourself. Okay, so now if I write C out, okay, and I write age in here, what will it do, what the result will be? So now the age, now this age is a variable. Compiler look this age. Okay, when compiler check this area, this keyword, it say okay, it's integer. What does it mean? That there's some kind of declaration now, age, and it's equal. It will understand that there's some kind of value will be there, and if you do not write this, okay, the compiler give you error. Compiler say you must write something after equal size. Okay, so you are giving some value in here, after you must write the semicolon. If you not put the semicolon, it give you the error. Okay, it will say this is not a complete statement. Okay, this is not a statement you should write. Okay, you must write correct statement. Okay, so you are giving semicolon in here, and then see out, the compiler check this keyword, it say okay, it means that there's something we will show, or the compiler will show on the screen, and it requires two signs. Okay, you know that the sign means insertion. Okay, the sign name is insertion operator. Okay, so after this we give some kind of value, sometime quotation sign, but here this is the age. Now it will look to the program that what is this age, and age is a variable, so the compiler know that age, if age is a variable, it must contain a value. Okay, okay, so now age is 22, so the compiler will show you the result. So the result will be 22. Okay, the output screen come up with the 22. I think so. Now you grab it. Okay, what will be the output by writing this code? Okay, I think so. If I say beta, okay, now what will be the answer of this code? I'm 100% sure you will give me the answer. Okay, so write it down in the comment section. So be quick, just pause the video and then just give the answer. Okay, 22. And then I know the students, number of students, Sarfraz and Alhamdulillah, and the sisters and the brothers and the students, boys, all are giving the good exam, are giving, typing number of examples. Whenever I say to them, they write it down and they are writing. Okay, so I am very glad to see their comments as well. So well, I'm here saying that the output will be the 24. Okay, so now if I say to you that what will the output of this program, so now there is something you have different, you have observed in here. So age is 22, now this age is 22. Okay, and the plus sign will add both values. Okay, so the output will be 44. Okay, do not confuse, because you know that age contains 22 and this age contains 22, so by adding them it will become 44. Okay, so now if you can write like this, it's okay. If you want to write without brackets, it's okay. So the both will be acceptable. And then if may I ask you what will be the result of this, and I hope so you all will give me the answer of this. Okay, just write down on the comment section. As I told you that many students take part in writing on the comment section. I'm glad to see that, and I'm trying my best to give them reply. Okay, so well, integer number 1. Okay, it means that there's some kind of initialization is going here, and then see out whatever the quotation sign, it will on the screen addition. So the output will be the addition, and what is written here, num1. Okay, what is num1? Num1 is 22. Okay, num1 is here 22. Shabash. But now what is age? Okay, what is this age actually? So there is nothing age. So when compiler come to this area, it will say there is nothing age in here. No, okay, this is not a variable. What is there? So it will give you error. It will give you error because it is the compiler not find anything related with the age. Okay, age keyword. So it give you the error. Now you got it? How it's come error? So I have to change this keyword, the age, with someone. Okay, with someone, like I have to declare, I have to mention an age in here. Let's suppose I did this. Okay, I think you are getting now. I'm writing here integer and age, and they equal to 33. Now it's okay. Okay, now if compiler come to this area, it will say okay, age is some kind of a variable and it contains some value. Okay, so the result will be, I think now you can easily tell, let me know. Okay, so the result will be, I think so, 55. Okay, thanks. And if I am doing this, integer 20 in num1 is 22 and num2 is 11. Okay, so now who will let me know that what will be the answer? And I hope so everybody will come with the 33. Okay, addition 33. Shabash. So I'm giving you different options, so you let me know the how much you understand. Okay, so if I ask you this way, that okay, so let me know what will be the result of this program. Okay, what will be the result of this program? Try to write on the comment section. Just pause and just give me the answer. Okay, so I hope so you have paused, and now I'm giving you the answer of this program. It will be addition 22 and 33. I'm saying you to just write on the comment section, just because let me know that you are one of the good among the good students actually. So just you understand the lectures, I understand this, and you write it down on the comment section, and that's the good thing about you. So now in this way, what will be the answer? Who will let me know but in the comment section what will be the answer? Okay, if you will say there must be an error, okay, so why? And if I'm writing in here, so give me the answer of this question, okay, first, and then if I'm changing something, okay, changing something like this, if you say error on this, okay, if you say error, then I say why error, okay, and if you say answer, then what will be the answer? Okay, what will be the answer? Why error, or what will be the answer? Okay, I will say what will be the result. Okay, so now let me know what will be the result. Okay, I give you the simple example by asking you a question that if I ask you what's your age, okay, what is your age, and you will give me definitely a value, okay, a number actually. If I say what's your age, and you will say sir my age is 22 and 44, then I thought it's not possible. Okay, is it possible that you will give me two kind of values, that sir my age is 22 and 44? Not so. Okay, it is similar like this. Okay, it is similar that I am mentioning here that age is 22, and again I am writing here age is 11. So the compiler will definitely say that you already said age is 22, why are you mentioning again this keyword? Okay, you must not declare again, you must not initialize in that manner, you have to change. Okay, so in our life definitely we get confused if someone come with the two values. In the programming manner it works some same like it works the same. Okay, so you got it now why error comes, just because of we cannot have variables, okay, of same name, so you have to change the name actually. So beta, try to write this program. Okay, sorry, I want to know this output from you by writing a code on in C++. So write a C++ program for following output. I will give you the hint just that you have to use variables and escape sequences and basic arithmetic operators. Okay, plus minus some like this. Okay, so I think so today's lecture is meaningful for you. Hope so. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.